Hey, this is Nick. Just talking about our new sifter that we're going to use for our pellets that we put into our new pellet stove that we got. If you want to come on over here, I'll show you. This was made with used lumber from my brother Joe. Thank you, Joe. And it's got a filter in the bottom of it, just a screen that will run the pellets through here and into the 5-gallon pail, which will transfer to our pellet stove. On the back, I've hooked up our little vacuum, dust vac, shop vac could work, and it'll draw most of that pellet chaff that comes in these bags. So I'm going to go ahead and run this quick. Let me get the bag cut open. These bags that we have here are pretty clean, but you still want to take that extra out. It'll save you on the other end of having to clean up your stove. All right, this is going to be loud, but bear with me. So, I'm going to show you back here what all got drawn out. And you can see it's sitting there. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up. All that fine. And that's not even, you know, what got sucked into the shop vac. I don't know if there was anything in it prior, so it's not an actual true representation, but...
Oh yeah.
That's partly ash, though.
Oh. So not a whole lot. It does make a difference.
Well, now wait a minute. You know, for this much stuff to be in your pellet stove, that'd be that much more you'd have to clean on the other end. So by cleaning these up, again, these bags really aren't that dirty. That's actually surprising that there is that much in these bags. So, I mean, to do all this prior to putting it in saves you on the other end of having to clean your pellet stove all the time. So you're still going to want to clean your pellet stove. There's no way around that. Just want to throw that in as a disclaimer. But
sure.
Nevertheless, neat little contraption. I'm going to be using this all the time before I put the pellets in the stove. And I think it'll save me in the long run.
Perfect. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Joe.